Hey everyone, welcome back to Isobe Food. It's Sunday Fun Day here in Brooklyn, and that means a big dinner with friends. Today, we're taking a look at the ultimate short rib gravy. This sauce will have you coming back for seconds, and the next day leftovers are even tastier. Let's get started. Trim the excess fat from your rinsed and thoroughly dried English cut short ribs. Season all sides generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a large, heavy-bottom pot over a high heat for 1 minute. Add in grapeseed oil and brown the short ribs on all sides, working in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. That deep brown crust is where the flavor is, so take your time. Reserve the short ribs. Using a paper towel, remove all but 1 tablespoon of oil from the pot. Sweat onions, celery, carrots, anchovy paste, and a pinch of kosher salt until the veggies are translucent, about 7 minutes. Add in garlic and tomato paste and cook for 1 minute, stirring often. Deglaze the pot with red wine and reduce until it's fully evaporated. Add in 2 cans of hand-crushed DOP San Marzano tomatoes along with 1½ cups of water. Toss in dried Italian herbs, mushroom powder, fennel seed that you have crushed with the pan, and red pepper flakes to taste. Add the short ribs back in and bring to the boil over high heat. Once to the boil, reduce the heat to low and gently simmer for 3½ hours. Skim the top of any foam and fat that rises. After 3½ hours, remove the short ribs from the gravy. Thoroughly skim the fat from the top, remove the bones from the short ribs, and shred the meat into small chunks. Add the meat back in and taste for seasoning, adjusting with salt and pepper to taste. If serving with pasta or noodles, cook to al dente and add the sauce onto the drained but not rinsed pasta. Mix in a ½ cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, cover, and let the pasta soak up the gravy for 5 minutes. Plate up, topping with extra virgin olive oil and a light dusting of grated parm. I also recommend trying this over polenta. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie. I'll catch you next time.